This looks like a very complicated problem, but it's actually not if you just focus on this, the 50,000 joules, and the height, which is 100 meters. So potential energy is mass times gravity times height. And this was 50,000 is equal to, our mass was what we're looking for. G is 9.8, as always. And the height is 100. So if we do some math, we get a mass of 51 kilograms. Not scary. In the next part, they are asking us for the velocity when the skier is up in the air. Again, sounds really scary, but if you just remember that in order to find velocity, you're always going to need to know your kinetic energy, makes the problem a little bit more straightforward. So kinetic energy is mv squared divided by 2. So our kinetic energy was 20,000 equals our mass is what we're looking for. Oh wait, we already found our mass. It was 51 kilograms. It's from the previous question. We're solving for the velocity. So 51 divided by 2 is 25.5 v squared equals 20,000. So now we can divide by 25.5 on both sides. And we get 784.3 is equal to v squared, and we're going to take the square root of both sides. So we're going to get our velocity of 28 meters per second. Box it up, Physics Christmas.